Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sidney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this series of recordings, we'll be showing you all there is to know about the profile operation. Profile operation is used to remove material from a wall or a series of walls. We'll start by going into our operation of 2.5D called profile. First, we'll start off with our geometry, which is on the top of our list. We'll go and create a new geometry, and in the profile operation, we can either create it using the general option or the silhouette option. For this series, we'll be using the general option. And when we create a geometry, we can pick the following. We can either pick an entire closed geometry or an open geometry. That's the rules of the geometry in profile. It can be either be an open or a closed profile. By an open profile, I mean it can be one edge or a series of edges. They do not have to form a chain where the end comes up until the start point. In this particular case, we'll first start off by creating a chain on the outside. We'll just touch off this edge over here, and we'll create it by just clicking on Auto Constant Z. Then our first chain was created. A different geometry that we can create in profile is as follows. Let me just replace what I have over here. Now click on Replace, and I can have an open geometry, such as I'll choose this line, and if that's all I need for this geometry, I'll just click on Accept Chain. Now, if I want, I can add another chain on the other side by simply clicking on this edge over here, and then I have another chain over here. So we have a geometry now that's built of two open chains. Now, in this particular case, I'd like to just create an operation just with one chain around the outside. So I'll delete what I did over here, the second one as well, and we'll go back to the very first chain that I created in the very beginning, clicking on this edge over here and just closing it Auto Constant Z. Now, what's also important to note about a profile geometry is the direction. Whatever the direction that you've chosen for your geometry, that is the direction that your tool will travel in. So if the arrow is going this way, your tool will go in that direction as well. To reverse this, all you have to do is right-click on the chain and click on Reverse. Right-click and reverse. And then you have the direction that you want to go into. Now we'll finish off by just accepting our chain by clicking on OK. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for the tab called SolidCAM Professor. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.